Wow. A
Right here.
factory, bridge, and the museum's right there. So,
Please move slower.
some.
The bridge is beautiful.
The bridge is quite nice. So we're going to be wandering our way over to a factory to get apples
And apple products.
and apple products. We
And
may-
try adult apple juice.
Oh yes, lots of adult apple juice. Oh, there's a cruise ship down there.
Oh, wow.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I know Aomori does
Something.
night trips.
My parents came here to Aomori on a cruise ship. So they would have gone there.
Probably. All right, we'll see who's inside. A factory.
So this is a factory. We'll take you inside.
Let's go eat more apples.
Apples might be my husband's favorite fruit.
They are my favorite fruit, there's no question. I'll be honest, if they found some way to put apples in burgers, I want a burger.
I'll try. Might be savory apple. So here we are. Lots of adult apple juice
Yes.
and non-adult apple juice.
No, this is all still adult, yeah.
And then there's a tasting bar, which we will not film.
But we will most certainly be trying.
And this is the most apple products I have ever seen in any location. But you've got to have a look at these pastries. They look like apples.
They are very cute.
See, non-adult apple juice. Children's apple juice. Apple honeys. There's apple.
There's a 5 different types of apple juice in the box. This is apple jellies. More apples.
More
tons
apples.
And tons of apples.
Apple gelato up here on the left.
Oh yeah, we've found multiple gelato places. Hang on.
Apple.
Ringo. It's like different apples and whether they're
a
sweet,
fake apple.
tart, or dry.
It looks so real.
It does look. That's very good painting.
Probably done by the people next door. It's
Possibly.
not, but
And then this one's just like 9 of them mixed together. I'm intrigued. And donuts. Donuts.
tea blends.
Apple tea. Apple.
Candle?
I was about to say apple flour. Apples would flour. I just have no idea what the apple flour looks like. Oh, there's specifically apple honey.
Yeah, it's apple honey. I tried pointing that out earlier. You weren't paying attention.
Sorry. Oh, well, there's the apple flour.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of apple gelato.
Ooh, and sake.
And sweet potato, black sesame.
Chestnut, green tea, single serves only. And then take-home versions. And you can see where the apple juice is made. I'll be honest, that's probably not apple juice. Looking at it, it's definitely had some fermentation with it. So, I just got my lunch, which is an apple burger from Ocean Diner. And Pinky just got her lunch.
It is 2 apple pies from Skip Egg.
And an apple tea.
We're in a factory. We need to try something, right?
True, that's why I got apple burger.
I'll steal some of his burger.
And do you want to start tucking into those? You can tell the people how it is.
And these.
Yeah.
So we are here at a factory and I'm eating Skip Eggs for lunch. This is an apple pie. You can actually see the piece of apple here and there's another slice here on top.
It's like nice, soft, crunchy apple pastry.
And that pastry is amazing. I didn't get much of the apple, but that pastry is amazing.
So the apple move on that one at least.
Oh, that apple's good. I got a full bite that time.
Excellent.
That's really, really good.
What would you rate it?
8. Or maybe 8.5. So we are at A Factory, and this is my second apple pie to try. This one is apple and raisin. I'm going to try and get the apple in the first bite this time.
Try being her operative word. So this one basically only has the addition of sultanas. Did you get a much better bite this time though?
I got it in deep. I like what the raisins do. It gives it extra depth and extra sweetness. I'll do it at 8.5, maybe 9.
No, even higher.
8.75.
Nice.
It adds an extra depth, which is lacking in the first one.
No.
8.75.
8.75. We'll see you in the
Pastry
next
is amazing. You should try.
If you're in Aomori and you're in A Factory, definitely
try. Maybe not have it for lunch though.
It'll be fine.
I'll still send me a burger.
Yeah, so at A Factory, I have got a apple burger. You will have noticed that the tomato has disappeared from the last
It was
video.
tasty.
I don't really like tomatoes, but it does taste different from the Australian tomatoes. So, you know, let's see how grilled apple goes in a burger.
It looks good. I like how the apple is actually holding together. It's not just sort of flaky or anything.
So it hasn't been grilled much. First thing I got was like a lot of beef flavor. And then just a smooth apple after. I feel like it needs...
The tomato?
No, because that would have just been more mushy, weird blurriness. It needs a combining flavor. It just goes beef, apple. That's it. Would you like to try?
I'd love to try. Still recording. Alrighty.
Like, the beef is really nice. Don't get me wrong. It's got not much else going for it.
It needs a sauce. It needs more of a sauce.
The sauce it has on it is really nice. There's just not enough of it.
It's nice.
Alright. We'll see you with the next weirdness we buy, which will probably be gelato. 8 more to go? 10 more to go? 7 more to go.
7 out of 10.
Oh, 7 out of 10. Okay. That's very nice to it. I'd give it like a 6. I'd still eat here again. I feel like I just ordered the wrong thing because this just feels like the gimmick on their menu. They have Wagyu beef on there, and I'm like, oh, that does sound nice.
I'm going to go back to the
Probably what it
pies.
smelled. All right, see ya. Bye.
Bye. Okay, I was wrong. It is 1 gelato, 3 sorbets. So this one is the gelato. It is 2 out of 5 sweetness, 5 out of 5 sour. This one is the Akane apple, which is an apple sorbet. 1 out of 5 sweetness, 5 out of 5 sour. This one is your Jono Gold, which is 4 out of 5 sweetness, 5 out of 5 sour. And then this one is the only green one they had, which was 5 out of 5 sweetness, 2 out of 5 sour.
Left to right. Oh, no, probably right to left, hey?
Yeah. So we're going to start with...
I figured you would have wanted to start with the milk one.
No, the milk will take my palate away.
Okay.
So we're going to actually start with this one here, which is your least sweet, most sour. This is the Akane.
Which will work great as a palate cleanser. Well, she really likes it.
I want to get a bit more. perfect palate cleanser. It is not very like sickly sweet, but it still has your apple sweetness through it. I wouldn't say it's very sour.
Oh. What would you rate it out of 10?
7. So Jonah's Gold. Much sweeter. It's got more of a harder texture, not quite as soft and smooth. The other one was actually a little bit icy. This has a bite to your texture. It's still really nice and smooth to eat. 7 out of 10.
Oh.
Again, not very sour. This is the highest sweetness and true sour.
This one on the end here.
Best so far. 8 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
8 out of 10. And then finally, the milk. So this one is not very sweet, quite sour apparently.
Weird.
Maybe it works the other way around. That's beautiful. That is like a really good apple thick shake.
Ooh, it sounds delicious. Well, what would you rate it?
8.
So
8 and a half.
8.5? Okay, that means I can put the phone down and the camera and start eating then, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, bye.
Join me.
Hello. Can you see the top of my head? There we go. So, I've started my sampling. I'm going to get from down here. So this one just tastes like I'm eating like really nice tart apple pie without the pie part. Really sweet, kind of Granny Smithy for those of us in the Australian area.
It is lightly pink.
Yes, it's definitely not a green apple,
It is a red apple, this one.
but it tastes a lot like I would attribute to a Granny Smith. This one here,
Has the texture got me? It wasn't a bad texture, I just didn't know how to describe it.
this is just blended apple that's been frozen. That's what it feels like to me. Just blended frozen apple.
Also a red apple, but this one is green in colour and then just has the little red flecks.
But also the flavour disappears so quickly with this one. This one here
Lingers.
Let's try the green apple. I do have a preference for green apple. I don't think I like it.
Oh, that's fine, I'll leave it. It's fine. I'll eat that one then.
It's definitely not as good as the other two.
No, I really liked it.
It just disappears. I don't get anything from it.
Maybe your taste buds haven't come back. We were sick.
We were sick. I mean, like a little bit of apple.
I get a mouthful of apple. And the milk?
But yeah, like compared to these two are apple, and then this one's just a lot more subtle.
It's a subtle apple, but it's still that. I like subtle apple though.
Yeah, I like in-your-face flavors. And now, the thing that will make her regret buying gelato. It's delicious. I quite like it. I wouldn't call it an apple. If someone told me it tasted like an apple milkshake, I'd be very disappointed. If someone tells me it's an apple ice cream, I'd be like, it's a really nice ice cream with a little bit of apple in it. So I'm here to refute the chef and be like, no, it's really good. 100% would recommend. So I think I'm going 7, 6, 5, 7. I'm not gonna return to Aomori every time we go to Japan just to get these.
That's fair.
That would be a 9.5. It would be I don't care how far out of the way I have to go to get these, I'm getting these. None of them are worth that. Not
That
a
is fair.
single one.
But they are worth coming to if you are coming through Aomori.
If you're in Aomori, 100% try.
Or even just passing through, I would say get off the train because it's right next to the train station. 5-minute walk?
No. It's right next to Aomori train station.
Yeah, so if you're passing through Aomori train station.
To get to Aomori train station, you have to be going to Aomori.
Ah.
It is a detour no matter what off that Shinkansen line.
Yeah, but I'd still say it's worth the slight detour.
If you've got the time, it's worth the detour.
Yeah.
You can get everything done in half a day.
Yeah. Or at least the factory and the museum.
Yeah, if you get here early enough, you can definitely do the seafood market. You can do the museum in under an hour. You can do a factory in under an hour. Get yourself a bunch of snacks for wherever you go.
It's a good day.
It's a good day. It's a good full day. I could probably stretch it to 2, which we have, which is what we're doing. But anything past 3.
You'd just be here for looking at the beautiful view that's out there.
I wouldn't be able to find something to do every single day for more than 2 days, which is fine because these are our relaxation days. We're not meant to be doing much, so that's fine. It's not a problem. But yeah, if you're just passing by and you have the time, because it's a bit of a pain to get in and out of Aomori, because the train schedule is a bit fecky, then come in. I enjoyed it. I do not regret coming here whatsoever.
Agreed. All right. See you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.